The Winnebago Micro Minnie FLX takes self-sufficiency to a new level, with 5 integrated technologies that provide the comforts of home while off-grid for up to 5 days, without the need for a generator or water and electrical hookups. Available in 4 slide-out equipped floor plans and sleeping up to 5, the Micro Minnie FLX starts with all the features that make the standard Micro Minnie a great towable. Plenty of living space and storage despite its compact, easy-towing size. A full galley with a 3-burner cooktop, microwave convection oven, refrigerator, and stainless steel sink. A comfortable dinette that's ideal for dining, relaxing, or catching your favorite show on the LED TV. And a Bluetooth-compatible entertainment system, including a stereo receiver with USB port and a CD and DVD player. Outside, you'll find additional storage, a powered patio awning with LED lighting, and exterior speakers for taking the tunes outdoors. And it also includes extensive insulation to help extend your camping season. What sets the Micro Minnie FLX apart are the 5 integrated technologies that enable you to stay comfortably off-grid for up to 5 days. First, the FLX comes standard with 2 190-watt solar panels and a 30-amp charge controller. It's pre-wired for an additional side-mount portable panel for maximum energy generation. It also features a 320 amp-hour lithium-ion battery for days of untethered power. The 3,000-watt inverter works alongside the lithium-ion battery to seamlessly provide 110-volt power to run essential appliances. And the efficient Truma AquaGo water heater, Vario heat furnace, and Aventa air conditioner are designed to conserve electricity and propane. For added convenience, all 3 Truma systems are controlled from a single, easy-to-use panel inside the RV. Finally, there are a number of high-efficiency appliances to help maximize essential resources. The Showermiser system provides hot water almost instantly while significantly reducing water use. And the 10.3 cubic foot Dometic refrigerator runs directly off the 12-volt battery system, instead of requiring a 110-volt AC converter. Altogether, these 5 integrated technologies enhance your camping experience anywhere and extend your off-grid stays significantly, while providing the performance and reliability of factory-designed, factory-installed systems, all backed by the Winnebago factory warranty, which means the Micro Minnie FLX not only gives you more time off the grid, it gives you more peace of mind. The Micro Minnie FLX from Winnebago.